Hi everybody, 97 times 16 with the standard algorithm. So we're just going to focus on the 6 first and use the top row, forget about the orange. So we're going to do 6 times 7 and then 6 times 9. I encourage you to try it on your own and then come back in and check how you did. 6 times 7 is 42. Carry the 4. Put the 2 down here. 6 times 9 is 54, plus 4 is 58. That is 97 times 6. Cross off everything that you're done with and come on down a row. What are we putting here and why? And now we are doing 97 times 1. So we are going to do 1 times 7. And then 1 times 9. So your copy will look different, but mine, I need to get rid of this box and that box. I'm sorry about that. All right, so now you've got 97 times 6 was 582. 97 times 1 was 97, but this was really 97 times 10, which is 970. And now we're just going to add it all together. 2 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 7 is 15. 5 plus 9 is 14. Plus 1 is 15. 1,552.